Hello friends, Anthony Yoder with Rockwood, and today I want to talk to you about the models we offer at the Rockwood division that have a front kitchen. We do offer a few floor plans with the kitchen at the front and the bedroom in the back, and a lot of you may be searching specifically for a front kitchen layout. You get a lot of benefits with a front kitchen. A lot of times you end up with more countertop space and more storage space. With our standard windshield on our travel trailers, that also brings in a lot of natural light into that kitchen and into your living area. With your front kitchen models, that means your bedroom ends up being on the rear of the trailer. And so if you do specifically want a bedroom at the back side of the trailer, that will also be with your front kitchen models. We've got a few different sizes of front kitchen. We start with our mini light line. That is the 2506S and the 2516S. Both of those are front kitchen in the mini light. Then we do have an ultralight travel trailer. That is the 2608BS, just under 30 foot on that one. And then rounding it out in your signature travel trailer line, you have your 8263 MBR. That one is also just under 30 feet. But those are the front kitchen floor plans we offer here at Rockwood. For more information, visit your local dealer, or you can find us on ForestRiverInc.com/Rockwood. And as always, we are V.